Okay, so this time let us proceed with our first topic for the second quarter. So it's all about the Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, and its uses, its part po. Okay, but before that, let us review first about number line. Okay, so what do you call the set of numbers highlighted in color blue? Set of positive numbers, ano pa po? Negative numbers and zero. O, anong tawag nyo kapag may positive, may negative at zero? Yes, anak. Very good. Integers yan. So, when we say integers, okay, integers, the set of numbers consisting of positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and zero. So, this is an example of integers. Okay, commonly, ang nasa gitna lagi ay zero. Then, lahat ng nasa right side ng zero are all positive numbers. And then, at the left side of zero are all negative. Using the number line, yung zero talaga yung nasa gitna. And then, ganun pa rin, lahat ng nasa right side, positive. Lahat ng nasa left ay negative. So, this time, let us use the given number line to identify the exact location of the given number. Okay, first, gamitin natin kapag nakahiga yung line, anong tawag doon? Horizontal. Kapag nakatayo, vertical. Use horizontal muna. Where is zero? At the middle. So, ito lang yun. Ilolocate mo lang. Maglalagay ka lang ng dot. Okay, now, letter B. Where is 3? At the right side of 0. So, mag-jump lang tayo ng tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, this is the location of positive 3. So, how about negative 1 at the left side? So, tandaan na, pag nag-jump, dun palang bibilang as 1. Okay, so from here, 1. O dahil papunta sa left, negative. Therefore, this is the location of negative 1. O paano naman daw, anak? Kapag naka-vertical yung line, kung ito, very good. Kung ito yung horizontal number line, igaganon mo lang siya. So, meaning, lahat ng nasa taas, positive. Lahat ng nasa baba, at yung nasa middle ay 0 pa rin. Or where is the 0? O, ganun pa rin po at the middle. And then, where is negative 2? Very good, downward. So, from here, 1, 2. Therefore, this is the location of negative 2. And where is positive 1? O, upward naman, isa lang. Angat ka lang ng isa. So, 1. Oh, that is the location of positive 1. So, do you understand how to use a number line? And then, on grade 7 kayo, ginamit si number line to get the absolute value. Yung distance from each other, tama? So, this time, ang gagawin natin is let us identify the exact location of the given points, of the given numbers. This time, let us proceed with the meaning of Cartesian coordinate plane. So, again, when we say Cartesian coordinate plane, a system used for graphing. So, this time, nagpa-plot tayo ng points dito. So, igagraph natin yung given points using the Cartesian coordinate plane. Also known as rectangular coordinate system. Kasi anong shape po ito? Rectangle. Kaya rectangular coordinate system. And rectangular coordinate system or the Cartesian coordinate plane was introduced by René Descartes. Okay, René Descartes, okay, a French mathematician who introduced the Cartesian coordinate plane, and he is also the father of modern mathematics. Okay, so he is René Descartes. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Okay.